Welcome to BobCAD-CAM. Today we're exploring how to apply 5-axis tilting to enhance 3-axis operations. Let's dive right in. As you can see, we've set up an high-speed roughing that will efficiently remove material, followed by rest roughing, which only cuts where necessary. Finally, we're applying a steep and shallow toolpath, a hybrid strategy that combines Z-level finishing for walls and planar slices for horizontal surfaces. Notice that certain areas remain untouched. This happens because the system avoids collisions when the tool holder gets too close to the walls. Similarly, in pencil milling, proximity to the wall can cause potential collisions, leaving gaps in the finished product. Let's simulate the toolpath to observe the results. The high-speed roughing operation keeps the tool in constant contact across the area. Once complete, we use the Deviation Analysis tool to compare the cut geometry with the original model, ensuring tolerances are met. As you can see, some areas remain uncut because the system prevented collisions. To address this, we'll apply 5-axis tilting to finalize the part. To enable 5-axis tilting, ensure your machine is set up as a 5-axis system. Once done, you can add automatic tilting to any 3-axis operation. Activate gouge check settings and define the maximum tilting angles. These settings ensure the tool avoids collisions while maintaining precision. Here's the updated simulation. Watch how the tool tilts dynamically, adjusting the A and C angles to avoid collisions while completing the cuts. This precise control enables us to finalize the entire part flawlessly. With 5-axis tilting, we've achieved a perfect finish, ensuring all areas are within tolerance while keeping the programming process simple by only using 3-axis toolpaths. Thank you for watching. We hope this demonstration highlighted the value of integrating 5-axis tilting into your workflow. Have an amazing day.